In this chapter, you'll learn how to use the search feature, and you'll learn how to preview images and change the way that file listings are displayed. You'll use Help and Support, open the control panel, and use Add Remove Programs. You'll use Run to launch program, and learn when to use different turn-off computer options. You'll learn how to adjust the volume on your computer, play music, and how to dress up the desktop, even adding a screensaver. With all of the files and folders on your computer, it's easy to forget where you saved a file. Even worse, what happens when one of your files seems to disappear? Even worse, what if you can't remember the exact file name? If this happens to you, just use the search feature. To find a file, click the Start button. Then click on Search. In the blue area of the window, there's a balloon box with a question, what do you want to search for? And isn't that little dog cute? You'll learn about the pooch later, though. Notice that you can specify a search for all kinds of items. In this case, I want you to search for the sunny image, so click the Pictures, Music, or Video link. In the updated balloon box, specify what you want to search for. Click the Pictures or Photos option to select it. Then write Sun in the All or Part of File field name. Now click the Search button to see what we have. It looks like the little dog paws his way through the computer to find files. I have to admit that I personally didn't like the office assistants of the past, but I find myself quite fond of this little dog. 4 copies of the image are found on the computer, plus some other images that have Sun in the file name. So the search was a success. Once you've found a file you're looking for, the next natural question is, how do I use the file? In this case, you're going to open the file to look at it. Just double-click the file. Any of them will do. Double-click the first sunny.gif image. This opens up the sunny.gif Windows Picture and Fax Viewer with the image. You may be wondering why the image opened up in the Windows Picture and Fax Viewer instead of the Paint program where it was created. Click the Next Image button, the right arrow. This displays the sunset.gif image. Click Next again. And here's another sunny. By continuing to click the Next button, you can see previews of all the images found. And when you're finished with the preview, close the Picture Viewer window. The Picture Viewer will open up to display all the picture formats it's designed to find, like GIFs, bitmaps, and JPEG images, unless you've set up another program like Photoshop to automatically view these pictures. But what's really nice about this is that you can use it to scroll through all the pictures found using the Picture Viewer.